This short video guide will talk you through how pupils can access Glow and Teams at home. This will allow them to find any assignments they have due and complete their home learning. To get to the Glow website, the easiest thing to do is to go to any web browser and Google Glow. This can be done on a computer, tablet, phone, or even a games console such as an Xbox or PlayStation. If it has a web browser, you will be able to access Glow and therefore Teams. When the results from the Google search appear, you should select the first one. This will take you to the Glow login page. This is what the Glow login page looks like. It may be worthwhile bookmarking this page to make it easier to find in future. To log in, the pupils just need to type their Glow username and password in these boxes. Their username will be GW followed by 2 numbers, their surname, then their first name. @Glow or their email address at glow.sch.uk may appear automatically afterwards. This is fine. Once they have entered their login details, they just need to click on Sign In. When they log in, they will be taken to their Glow Launchpad. Every pupil's Launchpad will be different as it is personalised by them to include the tiles they are likely to use. The main 3 ones they will need in their Launchpad are OneDrive, their file storage, their Mail, which allows them to access their email, and Microsoft Teams, which we will have a look at now. When the pupils log into Glow, they will see a screen that looks like this. This shows them all the teams for the subjects that they are taking, and by clicking on the tile, it will take them to that team. Within each team, there are several key features. Down the side are the channels. Some subjects will have different channels for different units of work. Some subjects will use just the general channel. This main page is the posts page. This is like a message board where team members, both staff and students, can post messages. They can tag people and upload files. Most staff use this to give pupils information about their learning. Clicking on Files will take pupils to the file storage area for that team. In here, pupils will be able to access and download any files that the teachers want the class to see. Files for home learning may be placed here by a teacher if they are too large to email or attach to an assignment, so it is worth pupils checking this regularly. Along the top is another important tab, Assignments. Clicking on Assignments allows the pupils to see the assignments they have due for this team, as well as the assignments they have to complete. To see the details, they just need to click on the assignment that they wish to view. All the assignments for every class are also available by clicking on the Assignments button on the far left of the screen. This is what an assignment will look like. Here you will see the date that it is due in, any instructions the teacher has given, and any files that they may need to access to complete the assignment. Anything that is under reference materials cannot be edited. This is most likely to be any PDF files. Anything under My Work, the pupils will have the ability to change and submit. They can also add their own files by clicking on Add Work. By clicking on this, they will be given several options. They can upload from their OneDrive, create a file, or upload from their computer files. Once they select a file they wish to attach, they just need to click on the Attach button. When they have done this, they will need to click on the Turn In button, which will be in the top right corner. Once they have done this, an animation will appear to confirm they have submitted their work. Assignments will still be able to be submitted after the due date, but they will appear as having been completed late. This homework has already been submitted and the teacher has provided feedback that you can see here. The pupils will be able to make any required improvements or adjustments to their work and resubmit to the teacher if they are asked to do so by clicking on Turn It In again. This will not always be necessary though, and the teacher will give them appropriate information as to whether they need to do this. If pupils are accessing assignments on mobile devices, it looks very similar to what they would see if they were looking at it on a computer. They will still see all the same details that they would, such as the due date, instructions, any files, and feedback, and they can also attach work. If they choose to attach a resource, they can use their OneDrive, create a new file, or upload from their device. This last option is incredibly useful as it allows pupils to use the camera on their phone or tablet to take pictures of any written work they have completed for the teacher to see. If you have your own Windows PC, there is a free to download Teams app. To download the app, you just need to visit this link and click Download Teams. This will install the program on your computer and allow them to log in and stay permanently logged in. Hopefully this video has given you a bit more information on using Glow and Teams. If you require any more assistance with this or any other aspect of accessing the online learning, then please contact Miss Gregg, the Principal Teacher of Digital Literacy, using one of these two email addresses.